Scrub-a-dub-dub, time to scrub. This doesn't have a flat head in it at all. It has a Y block.
Really?
Yeah. But we'll see what kind of condition the body's in. I think it's a bit crusty. Might be a parts car.
How would you even start fixing one of these cars? Make everything
Exactly
open.
what we're doing. Clean it all up and see what the hell you got. See what's good on the car, what's not good, that it's worth saving.
Hello. It's like the rudest camera in the world. What are we going to do with these cars after we wash them?
Either sell them or fix them up and sell them, or take them apart as parts, or it all depends what we find. So you can see at the front, looks really quite nice. All the sheet metal and stuff looks really good. All the chrome is there. It's got a little bit of good old-fashioned rust and stuff, but that's okay. Passenger side's probably the worst. Got some rust down in there and underneath a little bit. This entire door itself is pretty much garbage. Bet you most of the stuff in here is bad too. Completely gone through. However, I bet you the rocker itself is pretty good. It's pretty crazy. Even the one I think is like nothing but parts because it's probably gonna be all bad is really good. We were so lucky with all the vehicles we got.
Oh, sorry.
See under there. Even looks pretty good. Of course, it needs some floor work. Rockers feel okay. Bottom of the fenders, all the way around feel good. Right back again to the beginning, so I think this vehicle's a lot more savable than we thought.
Where do you want me to put it? Just right in the front here, right there. Thank you.
Things under the hood here. Got a nice Y block. I have no idea what size. Unfortunately, you can see on top of the intake there, someone's left all these spark plugs out of the engine, which means, yeah, so who knows what it's going to be like on the inside. So it's probably going to gas a core for rebuilding. But you got the rad and all the other stuff that goes with it too. It looks really quite complete.
Okay, we are done.